Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on YouTube? I'm gonna show you step by step how to find products on eBay. There are products start doing way better than they were that are selling right now. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do to find products and start a business on eBay. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do and how to start. So share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. A lot of people pay for this information, but I'm giving it to you for free. Very simple method to find in these products. I will demonstrate using two products. Let's get right to the video. Before I get into it, I'd like to give you a quick overview. I'm gonna show you how to find products that are selling on eBay using and Google Trends. What is Dropshipping? Dropshipping is a software. What is Google Trends? Google Trends is a free application for any product on eBay. You can check the selling history if you have an eBay selling account, and Google Trends is the first place to go. And you need to come to Google tabbing to find Google Trends. Click on the first line and you are gonna type in the product that you want. What we are gonna look at today is restaurants band, and that's the first product that we are gonna look at today. I'm gonna click on this. After typing that right here, these headings right here we need to look at. We're gonna look at this one here. We are gonna change this to the United States or United Kingdom or anything you want. After that, we are gonna look at this one here too. This is the search date. As you can see, we're gonna change this to the past 90 days. This is how many people were searching. Restaurants bands, as you know, are those things that people use to exercise in their house. As you know, this is a highly searched product. It's high search volume. It's maintained. We're gonna type in restaurants bands in Dropshipping on eBay. We're gonna change this to advanced search. We're gonna click on new and fixed price, best offer accepted, and we're gonna change this to, as you can see now, let's keep it for the last 30 days, and we're gonna click on research. There is a 9% sales through way, as you can see if we look at the first one, but let's arrange the sales from highest to lowest. Firstly, in the last 30 days, this person, as you can see, he sold a 4k pounds worth of this product. As you can see, I'm giving you an example. We're gonna click into the actual product. His feedback is great, so there you go. Restaurants brands are doing well, and that's how you check it. As you can see, for this one particular product, for this one particular seller, 4k pounds just for this one, and it's simple. It's a simple product. I'm gonna check the date for this particular product. I'm gonna check this one, 2000 pounds. It's easy and simple, just start doing this. This one made 2k pounds last 30 days. Start now selling products on eBay. So let's move on to our second product. What is the next product? The next product is hair clippers. That's what we're gonna look at. I have changed all these tabs here. It's branded, it's not bad, it's a big brand, so we're gonna take that and search in hair clippers on eBay. There is 12% sell through, which not bad. 7k is what this one did, and it's not branded. And of course, all of these clippers you can find in Alibaba. If you haven't watched my video on how to find suppliers in Alibaba, you can watch it. So why I picked those two particular products? What is the reason? Just to show you what you need to start. And the second reason, if something happened for any reason, as happened in the days of Corona 2020, and that means a lot of people are resorting to working out in parks or at home, and hairdressers, barbers too. I hope that explains those two products and it gives you a better insight. I'm not necessarily saying that you need to sell these two particular products yourself, but what I'm saying, this way the sellers doing $100,000 or pounds. Imagine if they have got 5, 6, 7, 10 products in their store. There is a lot of money to be made off eBay. So I have got a lot of videos coming up teaching you how to become successful on eBay and how to start your eBay business and teaching you how to grow. So make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.